That cough was coronavirus. I can feel it. Can you feel it? It's that woman sitting right beside us, and she has it. Now we have it. That lady on the subway constantly coughing, halfway in her grave, but still her sneeze is never stopping. It's been a week now, I'm feeling weak now. Fever heating up, phlegm deep down, geez, my throat needs to be cleaned out. Just presume that I must be drowsy, that's why I feel lousy. But to leave my house as usual's a mistake I can now see. I must have been delusional, assuming I'd be fine. Now I'm the sick brick who's chewing on the green line. That cough was coronavirus. I can feel it. Can you feel it? Transmission on this train is now at high risk. Please forgive me. God forgive me. Everyone on Facebook says I shouldn't panic, except for the ones who say I really need to panic. Plus those brave dolts who keep wasting bandwidth, squealing no big deal while standing on the deck of the Titanic. No good wasting time on this debate, cause based on the death rate, 8 friends of mine from Facebook aren't making it to April. It's too late, and I'm worried that nobody heard me when I coughed. They should have scurried off this train in a hurry. Cause that cough was coronavirus. I can feel it. Can you feel it? Don't just keep your seat in silence. It's not safe here. You're not safe here. So whose actions led to more deaths from AIDS? Was it the Vice President of the United States? Or was it the current head of the CDC? These fundamentalists don't give a shit about keeping us healthy. Oh, and will the president get tested? I'm not invested. All investigations indicate he would serve us best dead. Who guessed unprecedented misrule could still be unimpressive? Democracy's been bested and the country is infested. That cough was coronavirus. I can feel it. Can you feel it? White House full of thieves and liars. Who can save us? They won't save us. That cough was coronavirus. I can feel it. Can you feel it? We're all doomed and you cannot fight it. Scrub your hands raw. Scrub your hands raw. That cough was coronavirus. I can feel it. Can you feel it? Listen outside. You can hear the sirens. They call for me. They call for you.